Look at my coffee rose, guys. Look at that. And the red one there. Apakaganda. And this is the purple one. Look at that. Look at that. Ang dami niyang bulaklak. Ayan yung purple natin, guys. Ayan siya. So, mas maganda siya pag nakabukad. Ito naman yung ating orange. Look at this beautiful orange here. Ganda ng pagka-orange niya. Oh. Look at the small one there. Oh. And this is the red one here. And then we have this one. Yan. Ito, red orange. Red orange to siya, guys. Yan. So, ang dami niyang buds. So, ayan siya, guys. Ayan. So, ito yung red. Ayan yung bintana ng ninang nyo. So, yan yung natatanong yung pag ano. Ayan, daming bulaklak. Oh. And, ito yung ating yellow. Yellow, yellow, yellow. Look at that. Kaganda. Ayan pa yung buds niya. Ito naman yung pink natin. O, tipo. Ang daming bulaklak ng ating pink din. Oh. Para lang siyang plastic. So, ayan nga yung ating mga roses dito. Tapos, medyo may ulan-ulan pa dito sa side na to. Ayan. O, diba? Ang dami nating roses na naman. Ayan na nga siya. Oh. And look at the weather. Medyo maulan, guys. Thank you for watching. Thank you, guys.